Hi everyone, I'm Nate Bombach, Product Director with Ergodyne. I'm here in GME Supply's trade show booth to present the Wind Technician Tethering Kit. This tethering kit offers everything you'll need to tether up Wind Technician tools in one convenient SKU. No longer do you have to buy a SKU for this tool, a SKU for that tool. Everything together is here in one convenient box and package. What we did is partner with GME to work with their customers and do a tool inventory which examined every tool a WindTech would carry to height and then determined what solutions they would use to retrofit those tools, combine that with the tethers they use, and package together in this convenient box here. If this kit isn't exactly what you're looking for, we can customize this kit depending on the tools that you do have that might fall outside what's packaged here. Everything in the box is ANSI ISCA 121 compliant, so you're good to go and you know that everything's certified.